The first entity that brought call centers into existing was Citibank. This is way back 89, 90. Then Citibank, when they started to launch their credit card, अगर आपको याद हो, Citibank was the first to launch credit cards. कॉल ये ले रहा था तो मेरा जो तीसरा या चौथा कॉल जो है ना, वो एक बहुत ही एंग्री आयरेट कस्टमर मिल गया और वो इतना गाली गलौज से बात कर रहा था. I'm literally talking about the swearing languages that you can think of, because somebody committed to him and it didn't happen, and he lost some money and all of that. So he was very angry and he kept shouting and yelling and cursing and all of that. So I was new on the job, so I was just listening to him, and every time he would say, and I kept saying, "Sir, I'm so sorry to hear this. Sir, I understand. I'm so sorry." And just at that time, we had Mr. Shaukat Tareen, who was the president of Citibank that time. So he walks into the department and he is like, everybody's left everything and they're like, "Sir, everyone, giving him protocol, wishing him. I was too engrossed. I didn't even know that he was back there. What? I kept on talking. So he came and I felt somebody's hand on my run. I just struck the hand and I said, "Wait." And I continued to deal with that customer. Towards 8 or 10 minutes of that call, the customer started saying, "Look, I'm very sorry. I didn't mean to give you a hard time." So I kept telling him, "Sir, aap mujhse kyun maazat kare? You don't have to say sorry to me. It's all right. I understand. Not your fault. No, I'm not angry with you. I'm all right. And thank you for realizing and this and that." Cut the call and turned around. He said, "Okay. Hello, sir. How are you?" I said, I want you to come and see me in my office. Okay, Cliffy, tum to gaye. Naukri thel pagar chalu. Main chale gaya. And obviously all my other colleagues and all are saying, "What the hell you did, yaar? You didn't." He waited because he stood behind and he was just listening. So when I went there the next morning, he calls me in and he throws an envelope to me.
क्या तासुरात थे आपके उस वक्त?
मैं तो डरा हुआ था. मैंने कहा, "गई, मुझे क्या पता था?" I was scared because it was my first job in a corporate. I was scared. I was devastated. I said, "Shit." I said, "Just newly married, just got this new job. क्या करूँगा?" I almost had tears in my eyes.
और प्रेसिडेंट ने बुला लिया कि जी पेश हो.
जी. और ऊपर से बाकी कुलीग वगैरह जो उन्होंने डरा के रखा हुआ था. So when I went there through the envelope, he says, "Open it." I said, "Open it." मैंने खोला तो मेरी confirmation letter थी with the 45-50% increase in salary. और बाकी जो training पर थे with my same batch was still. And he said something which I was and that is why as a leader, I have very high respects for people like him. He said, what I really appreciated is that you did not give me that much value. You gave my customers. You gave them more importance, because at the time when you are with that customer is the most important person for you. And I believe I've always used that in my trainings as well, because जो माजी में हो गया तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, भूल जाओ. आगे मुस्तकबिल में क्या होने वाला है ना तुम्हें पता ना मुझे, तो उसके बारे में फिक्र क्यों करे भाई. Make the present count, because another word for the present is called a gift. So ये जो मैं और आप अब आगे सामने बैठे हैं ना, this is a gift for you and me. Our presence with each other is a gift. We need to appreciate it and make the best out of this.